Hello, welcome to Fighting for the Sydney, so Sherlock The Network episode number 8. So let's go! Okay, let's go. Okay, the method. More lessons is interesting. Okay, fine, that's good news. Okay, let's just taxi. I have wasted many times. Okay, it's harder than last time, so let's try to do really well. Like real Sherlock. Let's figure out again. So it. Okay, this is a modeling. Good. Okay. Just for a second and check each one. Okay, yes, this is 8. Yeah, this is correct. Okay, let's find again. Yes, this is Churchville. Okay, message for sure.
The sound of church bells. Ah, a campanological clue. Now, I've looked for dockyards that are close enough to churches, and there are 3 possible locations. Go down and listen to the bells, my little Quasimodo. Your first stop is in Chelsea, Battersea Bridge. The sound of church bells.
I'm sorry, I will not play because there's some error. Let's use train this time. Carefully. This one. Oh, I did it. So it. Okay, now. No, this is not that one. Let's just with Sherlock again. Okay, taxi is quite fast. In London, it's impossible taxis really fast like that because of the traffic jam. So I think train is much faster than taxi and it's much cheaper. A possible reason because it's so expensive. Circuit. Think carefully. Think different. Okay, let's think. I'm not going to give up. Okay, give up. Fail. Sorry. No. 100% sure is no. Server shaking. Good. Okay, train. Oh, Vauxhall, this is a thing. Good station. Wait. Wait a second, please. One, two, yes, I did it. Oh, I think this is similar. Okay, let us watch out. Oh, sure.
Right, now, we have 2 areas to investigate without tipping off the kidnapper. The police have helicopters with infrared cameras that can be useful for this kind of thing, but they're far too noisy. And as luck would have it, my brother runs a surveillance satellite that can do the job silently for us. He doesn't like the British people to know about it, so he won't kick up a fuss if we hijack it for a few minutes. I've got you past the outer layers of security and through a back door. Now, I'll send you a link, and you can finish the job.
Good. Okay, let's stop for checking. Okay, that was all. Oh, 1, 2. Okay, this is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. No, 0, 1, 2, 4. 0, 2, 3, 4. What? That's impossible. Wait there, 0, 1, 3, 4. Got it. 0, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 2. No. 0, 2, 2, 2. No. Still a fail right now. 0, 1, 2, 2. No, 0, 0, 0, 3, 2, 2. 0, 3, 1, 4. Finally, after 10 fail. Okay. That's what took us. Let's check. Left. Oh, maybe 2. Up. This is also 2 down. 4, I think. 6, 9, probably. Yes. Let's see. So 1 is there, but 1 is the other one. Okay, check clearly. Okay, Sherlock, okay. Oh my god, my plastic. I think this one will be the hardest. Two. Probably also 1, that was 1. And the other one is 1. I just altered this first one. Then this one is. It means charge with definitely 1. I got it charge with definitely 1. And now medical. 2. Okay. Then charge fail. Also food. Then final one. Easy. 2. Still 2. This one? 2. Okay, then let's check. See, 3 fails, let's continue. 4 fails. Then this is not. So now I'm thinking carefully. 5 fails. Okay, 6 fighting apple juice. Be carefully. Fail. Okay, message from John.
You were right. This is where they are. The police are here now, and we're just going. Go, go, go! Let me through. I'm a doctor. No good.
Okay, what happened now? If you want to fight these funniest, so please subscribe my channel, please comment any problem with this video, please comment any ideas you have for the next video. See you next week. Bye!